Are you fond of taking things apart to learn how they work? Then, cybersecurity may be the right career for you. The cybersecurity field faces a constant stream of new vulnerabilities and security issues that must be addressed, so one must be ready to adapt and learn new ways to take on the challenges as they arise. This branch of information technology is ideal for someone who likes challenges. In the wake of global cyber attacks, demand for cybersecurity specialists has skyrocketed as private, public and government companies struggle to safeguard their information and systems. Thus, if you are wondering how to start a career in this field, this video will be the most useful thing you watch today. Step 1. Educational requirements. In order to pursue a career in cybersecurity, you need at least a bachelor's degree. Step 2. Acquire relevant technical and soft skills. To become a successful and sought-after cybersecurity professional, you need specific technical skills. Learn programming languages such as Java, Python, and C++, and other latest technologies. Experience with tools like PowerShell and OpenSSH is also desirable. Step 3. Keep upgrading your knowledge. The field of cybersecurity is one that requires you to constantly upskill yourself and learn the newest techniques and trends. In addition to technical abilities, you need to develop soft skills that will help you excel in your field. Among them are communication skills, time management, problem solving, and teamwork. Gain practical experience. When you have the relevant certification in the field, the necessary technical skills, and the necessary subject matter expertise, search for internships and training programs that let you work on real-time projects. Finally, apply for cybersecurity jobs. With the required degree, skills, knowledge, and certifications, you would be eligible to apply to jobs at most of the tech giants. And thus, you are ready to begin a bright career in your new career field.